doing it a little bit different, bringing in, trying to do 2 rows, but it's not working out too well. So it seems to be a little slower, but I did come a little bit earlier, and they actually filled up the east side before they filled up the west side this year. So
as far to this side as tight as you can to get your arm in. So just head towards Timmy and then make it right.
So this year the woods is really popular because they put more than 40 more people out here where we're at this year. So we're kind of out here in the middle. So there's my spot. So experimenting with my new awning, so I'm working on that right now.
One of each. Is that what we do?
Well, this is the first time I used my Peregrine 23-0 Batwing, even though they don't call it the Batwing. And this is the lights here. It's got 3 different settings and different levels. This is the actual orangish color. I like that setup here. I think it was really easy to set up. I went ahead and put my down ropes, even though I don't think we're going to have wind, and I even put my poles up, even though I don't think I'm really going to need those either. But just wanted to have the full setup. And until I get my kitchen, I'm going to be using this table on the side here. Nice crisp 46-degree morning, but it's going to get up to almost 80 today, so welcome to Florida. Had my breakfast this morning, but I can't resist a few donuts. So we're going to be heading out here in a little bit to the, we're going to do what they call a field trip this year, out to the new location. Kind of limited what I can film out there because they don't want you to see the interior of some of their workspaces, which I kind of understand. They have a few processes they don't want everybody to know about, but we're going to do a picture, we're going to do some video of the actual outside and maybe the showroom area, and show that area out there here in just a little bit after we're getting out there in about another hour or two.
Turn right onto Northeast 78th Street. Then you'll take your first right into the parking lot.
Would you like to go in?
You take the, or you have this whole building?
The trailer office. Yeah.
You've overwhelmed us with your enthusiasm when you could be just about doing anything else on a Saturday morning, but walking through a building that's it's just a building. So thank you guys for being a part of this, and just logistically, it's a great move for us. If the facility-wise, you'll see as we go through and kind of give you a verbal vision of what's to come. Makes sense.
So is this a rental deal, or is this?
We own this.
Oh.
We own this.
Oh, nice. How far over do you own?
We own the entire complex.
Wow.
I'm very anxious to be into this space, but at the same time, we will have a ton of work to do in here with, again, stripping the walls of this carpet that is so beautiful, painting the ceiling tiles, replacing ceiling tiles, painting the walls, stuff like that. And then the exciting part is that we'll be able to do all of that behind closed doors. And then, so just one random day, we'll cut a hole in that wall, and boom, this will be a showroom.
What are you gonna do for an overhead door, or are you gonna build everything in here?
So that'll just be completely open. So this will be one giant room essentially.
To get the units in and out.
To get in and out, we'll end up doing a glass roll-up door right there, so that we can take stuff out of the shop and into here, and vice versa. At the same time, I'll show you when we go in there. There's the space that will actually be able to be seen from that location. Will be kind of finishing touches with decals and graphics, and also have a service bay. And then I'll also have to have my own space that I can do all of our R&D stuff that currently I do in everybody else's way. So having my own space to do all that stuff and not have to close it all up, clean it all up, and move it out everybody's way at the end of each and every day that I work on that will be nice as well. Essentially, we have enough space to have 2 full assembly lines on this side, and we'll end up having 2 full assembly lines on that side. The area that's right behind me, this area will be built. This is where they'll do all the prep work. So they'll be prepping the walls, prepping the floors, cutting all of their extrusion, all the metal, prepping all of the AC units to get them ready to just install. We'll build out all of our AC cages, prepping our roofs. So we have kind of in that direction, that area right there, you can kind of see some finished roof caps, and then you have unfinished roof caps that are on the trailer right there. So we have to prep those, put the carpet on the ceiling of those, all that stuff. All that'll be done back here. And then going forward, everything is, all the parts and pieces are assembled and completed, so that when it gets into this section that y'all are in, it is just assembled. They just put it together and build it.
I'm just not wanting to squat down though.
No, you weren't. With the blue glasses on.
Wow.
Blue eyes.
Everybody look their best. Smile. The kind of business that this would turn into, but it's just continued to grow. We've had a great time over the years with some great people, and so right now we're having our 9th annual Runaway Homecoming Rally, and so we're having a great time here in Summerfield, Florida, meeting some new people, having a whole lot of first-time guests here at our rally. But you know, there's really one serious question that I have to ask every one of you. That question is, don't you want to run away? Already in. All right. Are we ready for the end? Yep. 5, 6, 9, 1, 1, 1, 4.
It might be leftovers from what they had to sell or whatever.
It's okay.
No cilantro. Well, the 9th annual event has come to a close for me. I'm leaving a little bit early on the midday Sunday. Some more weather coming in, kind of like last year. There was weather coming in on Sunday night, and I just thought I'd get an early start coming home. But again, this is an amazing event. It's the community's awesome. Steve, the guy that runs the company, he's a great guy. His family and everything, and great company. If you haven't ever made it down here, try to get down here. We don't know what's going to happen next year because they're moving into the new place, and They may have it here, they may have it somewhere else, but we'll just have to see if we make it again next year. But that's about all I have for this video. Hope if you've been along this long, thanks for staying with me. But we'll hope to see you again on another video.